Welcome to the Ontario Regimental Museum shop. My name is Mihai, and today we're going to talk about the 88 Flak 37 project. So our project started with clearing up the gun. The gun was plugged off. This is one piece that we pulled out of the breech, and this was actually down the barrel. We extracted these pieces out. Also, there were two holes drilled in the tube, one here. You can see it's all welded up, and one up the front there. They're being redone right now. And right now we actually have the breech working. We still have to figure out the chamber. There still needs to be a little bit cleaned up and get all the slag out, so basically a dummy would fit in there. But other than that, is pretty much functional. So once this is going to be done, our next goal is going to be to rebuild the structure of the gun itself. As you can see, there's quite a bit of stuff to be done on it. But in order to be able to achieve that, we need to get these little bogies figured out, because this gun weighs approximately 7,000 kilograms, and it's really hard to move around. So in order to be able to move around and get it figured out, we need those done. So right now we're rebuilding the bogies of the gun. Bogies are the two little trailer-looking parts that make the gun mobile. You can see one of the bogies has been rebuilt right now. We're ready to move it over to our paint area and get it painted. And right at my left here, you can see the axle of it, which is in the process of being rebuilt too. Thanks for watching our series on our projects in here. If you want to see more updates and more news on the projects, please visit us on our Facebook page and also on our web page, tanksmuseum.ca. Thank you.